Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today is Garden Tour Saturday hosted by Grandma Sandy. I'm going to take you to my backyard, my garden swing area that I've decorated for the 4th of July. And my cats are out here with me. I've got Toby under the swing. And then here is a little welcome flag with 3 gnomes, all decorated for the 4th of July. And I have my fairy in here with a little gnome and a flag. And a couple more flags hanging on the swing. And even some more hanging off the sides of the frame of the swing. Very cute. And here's Mia on top of the swing, making her way across. She's so cute. She's trying to play with the string of lights. Aren't you, girl? And I've added the bald eagle on the table that my fairies use. And here's my other cat, Amber. It was really fun decorating my swing area with my cats watching on. I want to wish everyone a very happy and safe 4th of July, and I want to thank Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration. Bye-bye for now.